Welcome back to our channel once again. Today we are going to have a very small mukbang. We have pork meat and some spring garlic. This is not spring onions. I'll show you guys. And then we have some green chili. You want so much, but we have. So it's only a little bit, but if we get lots of like and subscribe, we will be doing a bigger mukbang, right?
Yeah.
So today I came here. My channel name it's Ringwar Pame, and her channel name KuzuiPame. So guys, please do support us by giving us your like and subscribe, and also please do share and comment. We'll be very happy for that. So now we will be starting. This is our night dinner, okay?
This is my sister, younger sister, and me, and my sister's son, and my sister-in-law.
Youngest mukbang.
Let's pray.
Yeah, you please take the amen, okay?
Yeah, I don't know how to.
Okay,
Let's pray for our own.
Okay, let's pray. Amen. The funniest prayer.
Natin di pala ko na iya. Let's start.
Yeah.
Okay,
Dig in. I forget to say we have brinjal. This brinjal.
Oh yeah.
Give them the first bite.
Oh.
Dahil lang si Tala.
Kumay.
Si Mina.
それでもらうけど。
Ang kaka na. Ina mo. Apel na ta. Apel. First bite. Kumitado. Kumpilan na rami mo. Hindi tata kami about it lang eh. Ano is good no?
He can't sit quiet.
So, pasada. Sinasabi ko pa sa akin, ging le.
For those who are not eating pork, we are really sorry. Right? We are sorry or not?
Yeah.
We have to be blamed for it.
Tại chứ thế. It's spicy hè. Không nè, thì không có người ta.
저는 기어보면은 기아마 기아마 해
Được.
해
So tasty.
Future YouTuber. Influencer. No? Right? You feel shy?
누가
Nói lên. Itong toro sa la. Ang kwa. Nang riman nam daw laka na bangkyan na ruwele. Doon, sakit pa.
professor
Just ignore him, everyone. If you guys don't like to see, I'll just block him with one or two fingers.
Ayale.
Brinjal boil is very tasty, huh?
Yeah.
This brinjal boil, it's my father-in-law favorite. He liked it so much, so even the children really like it.
So my bedroom because we bend down and eat. This chili is spicy. Yeah, you're spicy now.
I didn't eat, but the curry is already spicy, so I can't eat the chili. I don't know how you guys can eat. He said he will eat the Our mukbang somehow it's very silent. I don't know. I think I should. What do we call? I don't know already again. We should have one interview, I think. What do you think? Oh, no, yeah, everyone is fair. Only me and my son, we are very blessed. It's because of the light, I don't know. Sorry, guys. Forgive my complexion. We don't know what story he's narrating. Spicy?
Spicy. Tak terakam.
Next time, we will delete him from our channel.
Gitu aja na gitu sama mau lang ngayon lo.
Today our curry is economic, okay? Because some people haven't even evening dinner, okay? It's actually not real mukbang. Evening dinner, but just as time pass, we did mukbang. So we are in sort of curry.
Gadi. Saka ba?
Ga?
This pork,
This
the bone. This pork, it's tasty because it's not it's not the rib, it's the head, na. We eat the head today morning, so we are having that head, so it's quite tasty.
Wate ko lang kaya. Iya.
Let's give person. Next time we will do any other mukbang. If you guys comment in both of us our channel, in any of our channel, if you guys comment any other mukbang, we will do it. Whether we have or not, we will. By hook or crook, we will do. And then please tell us whether to delete him or not. Without your comments, we cannot delete him.
Are? Igo dito. Dito sa Yeah,
Me, I'm eating food near him, so I have to hide somehow my meat. If not, he will take it.
Oh, terus sinang tudolo. Give him water. Then we should come now.
It's okay. I don't know whom he is trying to impress. He can't eat chili, but he's trying to eat today. I don't know. From our viewers, whom he like, I don't know. She ate all only that garlic.
Nagka malap, brother ko na dito. Hindi ko pero apo fusto ko dua.
Full stop.
Tapi apa yo ha? Betul. Ya apa belum pun tahu lah ni pun mau luar. Apa udah dulu ha? Gidui kai lo bên này, gìn nhà nó kai lo bên này. Má nuôi tao cả lên bắt chọc. Go. Go and bring curry.
Tak pusat tak.
Ai lo.
At least for a few minutes, somehow we throw him in bin, so it's somehow fine.
Lepas dalam.
Our dressing.
Well, next time we need to make the table properly. These days, our backbone is big.
이거 끝내. I love you.
I don't know, among us, she's the fattest.
By bring the
She's the fattest among us, right? But I don't know in camera how come she's very thin there.
yeah, very thin.
Yeah.
More.
We feel
Already.
Huh? Huh?
Yeah, okay, but I don't eat much. Okay?
Sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys.
Bye.
I want this.
So, he want to join again.
Ta.
This is not vlog, okay? This is interesting one. Don't count, okay?
What is it?
Fun mukbang.
Before that, Ningam, that the youngest sister-in-law, she said, keep food stove.
It's so fun. Not on the bed.
I don't know how we have to keep food stove.
Ang gulay pa.
I know.
Nasa ka man sama. Video na lang.
Christia? Next time, so you join again. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Everybody. Say like this, please.
Please
Like,
like,
subscribe,
subscribe,
and
and
comment.
comment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
사랑해요. 사랑해요.
Hương
Say loudly. 사랑해요.
So, đúng rồi.
nhà.
Say louder. This chili very spicy.
Even the curry spicy, how you guys can hear it.
Yeah. Come here, bring it. Bring it. I don't want to
Yummy.
see.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
We are silent already in the last moment because everything is finished now. The food, the brinjal, the garlic, the meat. Mainly because of the meat, we are silent because it's gone.
Mình cắn kìa.
I tell Lonnie. But ma, I tell. No, you take this one. I don't want.
I don't know, it's so much fat. If I'm BP high, there is saying, I don't know exactly if people said, if we have BP high, we can eat lots of pork meat because pork fats now.
So you're BP high.
Oh, I'm just saying. I'm not BP high, I think I'm just normal last time. Oh,
I see the blood.
we didn't hear.
你弄吃的那种回来。
Next time, say we do current
Yeah.
noodles.
Yeah. Bro 한 거 내가 빨리 좀.
They push me.
Không có gì.
At last, it is in the last moment. Let them see me.
Giờ có xong rồi nè, I look thin here.
Yeah, very thin.
Này đây có gì?
Meal, look.
I'm fat already. Why I'm so thin here?
야, 먹어. 봐.
If I'm like this then.
In real life, if I'm looking healthy like this, then it's really good. I'm trying my best to be very healthy, but I can't.
Tao không cầm mà ra, tao cầm mà cái. You can finish the food. The food was like how poor they are. 나 꼭 먹을 낚시야 나. 내가 뭐 낚시하래 너. 아야.
I know, I'm very dark. Even
아야. 내 깜빡이. It's a shot.
after she finished eating her egg, she said it's not this. Yeah, we didn't take photo for thumbnail now. Sorry. Okay, guys. Finally, we are done. At least you can see the curry and all. It's finished. We eat everything. Even our son is gone because he is done eating. Likewise, we are done eating. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Like how I said, please do subscribe our channel, give like, comment, and
Mas
share.
apa sih? I just do like
So we will be back with another video again another time. So if you are waiting for it, we will make sure that it's a very successful video one. Right? We will make it successful next time. No?
Yes, sure.
Not a failure like this. We will not be in short of anything. Not the curry, not the rice, not anything. Everything will be complete. So guys, bye.
Bye.